Not to me, it's okay. Hey guys, so good morning or good afternoon. Right now it's 12:11. We're about to leave. I'm gonna do my brows just a little bit, nothing crazy, because you guys know I gotta wear a mask. We're gonna try to find somewhere to eat breakfast or lunch. We haven't eaten as yet. Then we're just gonna chill. We're not doing much of anything today. Just sightsee a little bit, get something to eat, and then chill. I want to get some well-needed rest. So yeah, that's the gist. I'm gonna go put my eyebrows on and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Makeup is done. A really simple beat. Need to put on some lip gloss, so disregard that. But y'all, I love this whole setup. I use this like magnifying mirror here. The lighting is so nice. Like damn. Right now it's 12:30. It took a little while. I attempted lashes and failed, so forget that. We're just gonna go ahead and head out and maybe just go to Starbucks like we went to last night and see whatever else around we want to do, and then come back to the room. So see you guys in a bit. My lips will be covered, but they're not gonna be ashy the next time. All right y'all, so Donna's getting ready, so I'm just gonna put on my socks and stuff and chit chat with you guys a bit. It looks super cold outside. This makeup actually looks really cute. I just wish that I was able to get the whole, you know, eyelash down packed, but it's okay. Your girl's gonna keep practicing. And I took the clip-ins out and I just refreshed my curls this morning, so it's the bottom is like dry, but the top is still wet. So hopefully by the time Donna's done, it's not too bad outside with my hair being wet and it's winter. Overlooking the city. Hey guys. Hi guys. It's kind of blurry, but we just left Starbucks. Yeah, both got drinks. And we went to Dwayne Reed Walgreens to get some water and stuff for the room. Y'all, it's cold. Not to me, it's okay. I was not that bragging cold that it was so nice and stuff since we've been here, but no, it's definitely cold now. Freezing. No, so over here there's a lot of hotels and the United Nations buildings and stuff like that. Like they have UNICEF and different things like that in this area. Really tall buildings. So that building is called the Summit. But a lot of like office buildings and government, United Nations buildings and stuff over here. Like last night this restaurant had like different like outside seating set up in this area. Most of the restaurants over here do. Kind of like these are like outdoor eating areas, because in New York you can't dine in restaurants. So did you want to go to Wendy's? No. Oh, okay. No. And across? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what country's flag that is. It says Athens, Paris, Rome. I think that flag over there is Jordan, I think. Where? So here's another flag Donna thinks is Jordan. Comment down below and let me know what flag this is. And then this is the UNICEF building over here that I was telling you guys about. That's UNICEF. This is where we're staying. Millennium Hilton, New York 1 Union Plaza. And this red area is all completely heated. So if like we're out here waiting for Uber or something, we just stand under these heated lights. Yeah guys, nice and warm. But yeah, we're gonna head back up to our room and just relax for a bit. Catch up with you guys in a bit. How much crap? The screen protector on it. Hey guys, good morning. I know I look crazy. I'm about to leave New York. Been real, putting on my shoes. And then I'm about to call my Uber. Maybe I should call the Uber now.
Focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't.
Guys, this terminal looks so good and I was talking so much crap. I'm like, this construction has been taking almost 6 years since I've been coming back and forth to New York.
It is also prohibited, ladies and gentlemen, to consume any alcohol that you're properly responsible for this place.
Guys, so I'm back in Florida waiting for my car to pick me up. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me for this vlog. Truly appreciate it. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite parts were. Hopefully it's not too long. But yeah, so guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.